Okay, quick question. Be honest with yourself.
Uh-oh, that opening always scares me.
Don't worry, it's not about you. Maybe.
Maybe. Great start. Really reassuring.
Imagine this. Someone asks you a question in English. A simple question, like, what do you think about that? And your brain just stops.
Like a phone with 0% battery.
Exactly. Zero battery, but your face is still on.
You're smiling, but inside you're like, loading, loading, error.
Yes. And here's the worst part. You do have a thought. You just don't know how to say it in English.
Or you're not even sure if your thought is correct.
So you say, nothing. Or you say yes and hope for the best.
Yes is always safe. It means everything and nothing at the same time.
It is the most dangerous word in the English language sometimes.
I once said yes to something I completely didn't understand.
What happened?
I ended up organizing a team lunch for 40 people.
No,
I still don't know what question I said yes to.
that is incredible.
It was a very long afternoon.
Okay, that frozen, confused, uncertain feeling, that is exactly what today's episode is about.
This is a really good one.
We are going to fix that frozen feeling today. We'll teach you how to express uncertainty and confusion in English.
Naturally, like a real person, not like a grammar textbook.
Never like a grammar textbook.
Textbooks don't say, I'm not totally sure about this one.
They really don't. And real life does, constantly.
Hey everyone, welcome back to Fluent Life English.
Your favorite place to learn real English for real life.
I'm Liam.
And I'm Amelia. We are so happy you're here with us today.
Today's episode is B1 to B2 level.
So if you are B1, perfect. This is made for you.
If you are B2, you will pick up some great natural phrases today.
And if you are A2, please don't go anywhere.
Yes, stay with us. Some parts will stretch you a little.
But that is exactly how you grow. You've got this.
Quick little favor before we start.
Just one small thing. If you enjoy learning with us,
Like this episode, subscribe to Fluent Life English, and leave us a comment.
and today's question is very simple. One sentence only.
Tell us what situation makes you feel most confused in English.
For example, I get confused when people speak very fast.
Or I feel uncertain when someone asks my opinion.
Just one honest sentence. That is already great English practice.
And reading your comments is honestly the best part of our week.
Sometimes better than making the actual podcast.
Please don't tell our editor.
Okay, let's get into it. Let's start with something important. Why do people freeze when they feel uncertain or confused in English?
Because in our own language, we handle it so easily. We say, I don't know, or wait, what? Without thinking.
Right. It feels automatic, natural, no effort.
But in English, the brain panics.
The brain says, emergency, wrong language, abort mission.
And then you go quiet. Or you say yes.
The famous yes. The word that solves nothing and causes everything.
I remember one time in a work meeting, my manager asked me something. I didn't understand the question, not even a little bit.
What did you do?
I said, that's a really great point.
Oh no, Liam.
It was not a great point. I had no idea what was happening.
Did it work?
Surprisingly, yes, he moved on, but I felt terrible inside.
Okay, but honestly, that is so relatable. I think every English learner has done something exactly like that.
Definitely. And it happens because we feel scared.
Scared of sounding slow, scared of sounding stupid.
But here is the truth that changes everything. Native speakers get confused too.
All the time. I get confused in meetings all the time.
And Amelia is a native speaker.
Thank you, Liam. Very supportive as always.
Just providing the facts.
The point is, confusion is not a weakness. It is a normal, completely human experience.
The difference is, native speakers have the words to handle it.
They say something. They keep the conversation alive.
And after today, you will too.
Think of it like this. You're driving on a road. Suddenly, there is thick fog. What do?
You slow down, you turn on your fog lights, you keep going carefully.
Exactly. You don't just stop in the middle of the road.
Well, some people do, actually.
Liam.
Sorry, but the point is, expressing uncertainty is your fog light.
It keeps the conversation moving even when things aren't completely clear.
A great analogy. I'll take full credit for that.
You absolutely will not. Moving on. Okay, section 2, the good stuff. Let's start with uncertainty first.
Uncertainty is when you are not completely sure about something,
Maybe you're not sure about a fact.
or you're not sure about your own opinion.
Or someone asks you a question and you need more time to think.
All very normal situations, all very fixable.
So let's give you real phrases. Phrases real people actually say.
Not phrases from a 1985 grammar book.
Rest in peace, 1985 grammar book.
Okay, first group, phrases for when you are not sure about a fact.
These are super useful in daily life. Ready?
First phrase, I'm not sure, but I think.
For example, I'm not sure, but I think the meeting is at 3.
Simple, clean, honest.
Next one, I could be wrong, but...
For example, I could be wrong, but I think he already left.
This phrase is beautiful because it shows you are thoughtful.
It says, I have an idea, but I'm being careful.
Next, if I remember correctly.
For example, if I remember correctly, we did this last year.
This one sounds professional and honest at the same time.
Perfect for meetings, classes, or any group conversation.
Okay, second group, phrases for when you need time to think.
These are the ones that save you in the moment of panic.
The panic phrases.
The anti-panic phrases.
Yes, much better name. I like that.
First, that's a good question. Let me think about that.
Oh, this one is so useful. I use it myself.
It buys you time without sounding rude or confused.
And it makes the other person feel good. Win-win.
Another one. I'm not entirely sure how to answer that.
Honest and relaxed at the same time.
You can even add, can I have a moment to think?
That is completely acceptable in any conversation.
Nobody judges you for needing a moment to think.
Unless you take 45 minutes, then maybe a little.
Yes, 45 minutes might be too much.
Third group, phrases for when you are unsure about your opinion.
These are important because opinions are personal.
And sometimes you genuinely haven't decided what you think yet.
That is okay. That is completely human.
First phrase, I'm in 2 minds about it.
Oh, I really love this one.
It means part of you thinks one way and part thinks another.
For example, I'm in 2 minds about taking the new job offer.
It sounds natural. It sounds thoughtful. It sounds real.
Next, I see both sides honestly.
For example, I see both sides. It's a pretty complicated situation.
This makes you sound mature and balanced.
Like a wise philosopher at a coffee shop.
Exactly. A philosopher with a very large latte.
One more. I haven't really made up my mind yet.
For example, honestly, I haven't made up my mind yet about that.
Perfect for when someone asks your opinion too quickly.
And you need just a little more time before you decide.
You know what's great about all these phrases?
Tell me.
They show intelligence, not weakness.
Yes, saying your uncertainty clearly, that is smart communication.
So much better than guessing wrong with full confidence.
Which I have also done many, many times.
We've all been there, Liam. All of us.
Very comforting. Thank you, Amelia.
Okay, now let's talk about confusion.
Confusion is slightly different from uncertainty.
Uncertainty is, I'm not sure.
Confusion is, I don't understand what is happening right now.
Like when someone explains something and you nod politely.
But inside, you are completely lost.
Completely. In a forest, at night, no phone signal, no map.
I had this experience when I was learning to do my taxes for the first time.
Oh no, already I am nervous for you.
Someone was explaining it to me very carefully, very patiently.
And?
I understood 0%. Absolutely 0.
What did you say to them?
I said, right, yeah, that makes total sense. And I smiled.
The smile that means nothing.
The smile is a professional liar. The smile is performing.
Okay, but listen, this is exactly why these phrases matter. Because instead of that fake smile, you can say something real.
And the other person can actually help you properly.
Which is the whole point of communication in the first place.
Right. So let's do it. Phrases for expressing confusion naturally.
First group, polite ways to say, I don't understand.
Because I don't understand is fine, but having options is better.
Think of it like having different outfits. Same person, different look.
I respect this analogy. Fashion and English together.
First phrase, sorry, I'm not following you.
For example, sorry, I'm not following. Could you explain that again?
Very natural, very common in real conversations everywhere.
Next, I'm a bit lost, to be honest.
Oh, this one feels so human.
For example, I'm a bit lost here. Could you go back to the beginning?
Honest without being dramatic. Calm without being rude.
And it gives the other person clear information. Go back, try again.
Next, Could you run that by me again?
Oh, this one sounds so natural and fluent.
It means, please repeat that. I didn't quite catch it.
For example, sorry, could you run that by me again? I missed that last part.
This works perfectly in meetings, in class, and casual conversations.
Second group, phrases for when something feels strange or unexpected.
Like when someone says something and your brain goes, what?
The silent what. The polite internal scream.
The very British internal scream.
Very accurate.
Very accurate, yes.
First phrase, wait, I'm confused. Did you say, for example, wait, I'm confused. Did you say the deadline is tomorrow?
Direct and friendly at the same time, no aggression.
It shows you're paying close attention. You just need to double check.
Next, that's a bit confusing for me. Can you explain what you mean?
Great for learning situations. Also great for professional ones.
For example, that's a bit confusing for me. Could you give me an example?
Asking for an example is genius, by the way.
Always. Examples solve almost everything in communication.
Almost.
One more from this group. I'm not sure I understand correctly. Do you mean?
This one is gold for avoiding misunderstandings before they happen.
For example, I'm not sure I understand correctly. Do you mean we need to start over?
You're checking, you're being careful, you're protecting the conversation.
Third group. Phrases for when you feel completely overwhelmed.
The my brain is full phrases.
Yes, when there is simply too much information at once.
Like when someone explains a new software system in 5 minutes.
Or a new employment contract with 65 pages.
Or assembling IKEA furniture with instructions in 8 different languages.
IKEA confusion is a universal human experience.
It truly transcends all language barriers. We are all united by IKEA confusion.
First phrase, there's a lot to take in here.
For example, there's a lot to take in here. Can we go through it step by step?
Calm, honest, and it gives a clear, helpful suggestion.
Next, I think I need to hear that one more time.
Simple. Nobody minds hearing that.
For example, I think I need to hear that one more time. I want to understand it fully.
Adding, I want to understand it fully shows real effort. That is always a good impression.
And the last phrase for today's main content.
Okay, tell them. This is your favorite one.
Bear with me. I'm still processing this.
Oh, yes, this phrase.
Bear with me means please be patient with me for a moment.
For example, bear with me. I'm still processing everything you just said.
It is honest, it is warm, it is completely natural.
It keeps the conversation open while your brain catches up.
Your brain in a trench coat slowly jogging to catch up.
That is such a strange image, Liam.
But accurate.
Strangely, very accurate, yes. Okay, let's slow down now for our word tour.
We're going through 8 key phrases from today's episode.
We'll explain each one simply and clearly.
Give you a real example sentence.
And say it slowly so you can repeat with us.
Say it out loud. Nobody is watching. It's just us.
Ready? Let's go.
First phrase, I'm not entirely sure.
Entirely means completely. So not entirely sure means maybe yes, maybe no. Not 100%.
Example, I'm not entirely sure what time the office closes today.
Repeat slowly with us. I'm not entirely sure.
I'm not entirely sure.
Second phrase, I could be wrong, but...
This phrase shows humility. You are sharing your idea carefully and honestly.
Example, I could be wrong, but I think she already sent that email.
Repeat slowly. I could be wrong, but...
I could be wrong, but...
Third phrase, I'm in 2 minds.
This means you have 2 opinions at the same time. You genuinely can't decide yet.
Example, I'm in 2 minds about accepting that invitation.
Repeat slowly. I'm in 2 minds.
I'm in 2 minds.
Fourth phrase, I'm not following you.
This means you can't understand what someone is saying right now.
Example, sorry, I'm not following you. Could you say that in a different way?
Repeat slowly. I'm not following you.
I'm not following you.
Fifth phrase, I'm a bit lost.
Lost here means confused, like you've lost the direction of the conversation.
Example, I'm a bit lost. Can we start from the beginning, please?
Repeat slowly. I'm a bit lost.
I'm a bit lost.
Sixth phrase, could you run that by me again?
This is a casual and friendly way to ask someone to repeat something.
Example, sorry, could you run that by me again? I missed the last part.
Repeat slowly. Could you run that by me again?
Could you run that by me again?
Seventh phrase, there's a lot to take in.
Take in means to absorb or fully understand all the information given.
Example, there's a lot to take in. Can we break this into smaller parts?
Repeat slowly. There's a lot to take in.
There's a lot to take in.
Eighth and final phrase, bear with me.
This means, please be patient with me. I need just a moment.
Example, bear with me. I'm still processing everything you said.
Repeat slowly. Bear with me.
Bear with me.
And those are your 8 power phrases for today.
Learn even 3 of these. Use them once this week.
Your English will sound more natural immediately. I genuinely promise.
Not a grammar book promise, a real human promise. Bye, everyone.
Bye. See you in the next episode.